The man walks into his vegetable garden, hoping to gather fresh produce. But as he looks around, he is shocked. There are no vegetables left, and the plants are withered and dying. Disappointed and heartbroken, he slowly walks back home. On his way, he searches through the forest, hoping to find something, anything to bring back. But luck is not on his side. Suddenly, he trips over something and falls to the ground. As he looks closer, he notices a strange object. It looks like an old lamp, but he doesn't recognize it. Frustrated, he picks it up and throws it to the ground. In that very moment, something unbelievable happens. A giant magical figure emerges from the lamp. The man stands frozen in shock. With a wave of his hand, the magical being creates an abundance of vegetables, fruits, and fresh fish. Overwhelmed with surprise and relief, the man gathers everything into a basket and rushes back home. He hands them to his wife, and together they begin cutting and preparing the ingredients, ready to turn this unexpected blessing into a warm, delicious meal. Now, the man realizes he needs a stone mortar and pestle to grind ginger and garlic into a paste. Remembering the magical lamp, he rubs it once again. In an instant, the giant figure appears before him. Understanding his need, the magical being gifts him a solid stone mortar and pestle. Now, the wife begins the cooking. She places a pot on the stove and pours in the right amount of oil. As the oil heats up, she adds chopped green chilies and onions, followed by a blend of spices: chili powder, turmeric, seasoning, black pepper, brown sugar, and cardamom. The rich aroma slowly fills the air. Then, she adds the prepared fish pieces, gently mixing them with the spices. After that, she adds all the fresh vegetables, letting everything cook together into a hearty and flavorful curry. At this moment, the wife gently mixes flour with water, creating a smooth, flowing batter. With patience and care, she prepares it perfectly, ready to turn it into soft and delicious dosa. Just then, Aladdin appears once again, bringing fresh tomatoes as a gift. The wife takes them with a smile, knowing exactly what to do. She prepares them carefully, ready to turn the fresh tomatoes into a rich and flavorful sauce. After completing all the cooking, the husband and wife sit together and enjoy their meal in a peaceful moment. When they are done, they gently rub the magical lamp once again. In an instant, Aladdin appears before them. With a wave of his hand, he creates a magical moment, lifting the remaining food into several pots, floating them into the air. Guided by his magic, the food is carried to an old age home, where it is served to the helpless elderly people. They receive the food with smiles and gratitude, turning a simple meal into a moment of kindness, warmth, and magic. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our Mini Crumb Kitchen channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our latest village cooking videos. Thank you everyone for watching.